I want that one. Hooper, now she's gonna want that one.
Which one?
One Hooper's got.
There's a pearl right there. Now what do we do? Dropped it? Now what? What are you going to do? Here comes the character. Oh, back up. There's the pro right there. No dropping. Now she's got to figure out what to do. What? Oh. What are you going to do? What are you going to... You can't bark for it to come up. Well, don't scratch him. Get yourself, lazy. What? What? Well, what? Well, get it. Get the chewy. Well, he isn't going to get it. You got to get down there. Oh, he's getting up there. We're not. Oh, gosh. Honestly. Oh, now back up there again. There's a character. I'd rather just film her. She just stays right there, folks. There's the pro. You just chew it. You're not down, up and down, up and down. Honestly, she really gets into it. Why do I always have to see the back of her head? Hey! Hey! Oh, I've had so many of these. Yeah, now this is beautiful. Yeah, you're gorgeous. Oh, so is she, if you can see her face. Hey! Well, you're a really photographer girl. Good stuff? Is that good stuff? I think that's maybe about enough. Wait till 5 minutes and then we'll give it up.
When did you go by to pick your stuff up?
You hold it for her?
That is dog movies.
20 seconds.
How about you?
No.
Hers is gone. Are you all done? Now that's a pro right there. See, it's all gone. But not hers. She's still chewing on it. She's getting more dropping than anything.